Watch this video to learn how to efficiently manage guest billing by splitting the bill at the time of checkout. Proceed to check out room G1. Tap on the checkout button for G1. Proceed by selecting the Part Bill button found in the navigation bar. Choose any of the room charges to be included in the split bill. Select the checkbox next to the date to choose the specific entry from the list. Click on the Split Bill button to divide the bill into separate charges. Enter the amount to be paid in cash in the Cash field of the form. Tick the checkbox to update the partial bill. Select Update Settlement to create a partial bill. Select Print Bill to see the split bill. You can view the total bill. To view the generated split bill, choose Bills List from the drop-down menu in the navigation bar. Click the Bill Print button corresponding to the desired bill in the bill list. Make sure to check the bill and finish your part of the billing process.